What's up, guys? This is a long awaited video. How do you make 10K in predictable income in your course business every single month? Hi, my name is Krisha Sarah Bowen, and I teach online entrepreneurs just like you how to create transformational online courses that gives their clients amazing results and generates 8 streams of income for them. So today, I'm going to give away my 10K secret to using online courses. So there really is no secret, or actually today I'm gonna give away the secret. This is what I teach my high-paying VIP clients about creating predictable income in their business with online courses. Today you get to be one of my VIP clients because I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to help my clients create predictable 10K income per month. Now, to cross that 10K hurdle, a lot of people ask me, Krisha, how do you generate 10K in predictable income in your month, 10K or more? It is art and science, it is business and strategy. It is mindset and knowing exactly what to do intentionally to trigger that 10K in your business. Today, we're going to dive into my calculations of how do we generate 10K of income in our online course creation business. Let's go into the calculations. So there are definitely multiple ways that you can hit this 10K per month with your online business. I'm going to be speaking specifically to an online course business. I'm going to be sharing with you my personal calculation for how you can predictably hit 10K per month with your online courses. So of course, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch to the iPad here and I'm going to do some calculations so that we can see what is the base of our product line for us to be able to now make 10K per month. So first, of course, we're going to start with our $10,000 income goal, and then we're going to multiply that by 12 months. We multiply it by 12 because it's 12 months per year, and of course we're going to get $120,000. Now from here we're going to take $120,000 and we're going to divide it by 256. Now this is I call it my safety number because this is assuming that you work 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, you don't work weekends and you don't work on public holidays. So we're going with 256 days, which is my conservative number for the number of days as an entrepreneur that you work. Of course, you would work probably more days, and of course, you would probably sell on more days. But like I said, this is our conservative number for us to get our base of how much we need to make per day in our business to generate 10K per month. So we're going to divide our $120,000 by 256. Once we do that, we're now going to get 468.75. We can of course round that up to, let's say, $500, but we're going to use 468.75. The next thing that we want to do is we want to divide it by the number of working hours per day, typically, which is 8 hours. So we're going to go with our 468.75 divided by 8. So that's 468.75 divided by 8, and we're going to get 5859. So essentially what this means is that we need to make $58.59 per hour for 8 hours to now be able to generate our 10K goal per month. Now, what does this have to do with pricing and our pricing psychology? It means inside of my business, I need to carry products and services that give me the ability to generate at base this income amount. So you're going to have a minimum, you're going to have a lower limit, and of course an upper limit. I'm going to teach you on the next slide, how do we determine in terms of my lower limit and my upper limit, what do I need to create? So essentially, I'm going to give you the base, bare bones, most conservative way that you can generate this $10,000 in your business. Then I'm going to follow up with a training on how do you actually develop your products and services to fall within this timeline. And then obviously we're going to have to talk in another video about sales and how do we actually sell products and services at these various price points to be able to now generate our 10K in income. So now we understand at bare minimum, we need to have a product that's $60. We need to at least sell 8 of these per day, but I'm also going to split this and break it down a little bit further for you so that you can now sell less per day, but still hit that goal. So I hope you guys are taking great notes. Now let's move on in our calculations. So we're gonna use, I'm gonna kind of round up the numbers so that it's easier to work with in terms of our math. So instead of using our $58, I'm just gonna go up to, I'm gonna use 60, I'm gonna use 500, I'm gonna use 1,000. So I'm gonna say that we need to have a base product line. No, I do not want to use red. So let me undo that. I would like to use blue, thank you. All right, so our base product line, let's say we're gonna say $60. Then we're gonna say, let's say 500, and let's say $1,000. So this is going to be a pricing range in terms of our courses. We have to have a $60 product, a $500 product, and a $1,000 product. I know somebody's going to ask me the question of, Krisha, how do I sell all these things at the same time without confusing my audience and still hitting my income goal? That's going to take me a little more strategy teaching that I'm going to do in this video. But in this video, I want you to get the money psychology around how do you hit that 10K. Remember at the beginning of this video, I said that to hit your 10K month, it's going to take you two things. It's going to take you mindset and it's going to take you strategy. Now we are in the strategy portion of this training to help you set up a business model that enables you to hit that 10K per month. So let's say we have our $60 product. What we are essentially trying to do is that we want to sell at least 10 of these per week, right? Which gives us now a $600 per week, right? So we want to try to sell 10 of these per week. So that now generates $600 for us. The next thing that we want to do with our $500 product, we want to sell at least, remember, this is the conservative calculation. So we want to sell at least 2 of these per week, right? So we're breaking this goal back down. We scaled back from 100 to see how much do we need to make per day, per week. So we need to sell at least 2 of these $500 products per week. That's going to give us $1,000. And the next thing that we need to do conservatively is to sell $1,000 product per month, which is going to give us now $1,000. So at the end of the week, we are looking at bringing in $2,600. That's going to be our base amount. Now, if we multiply this $2,600 by 4 weeks, remember we are doing a conservative calculation, assuming that you're selling 5 days a week. So now when we multiply this $2,600 by 4, it's going to give us a goal of $10,400. And just like that, with our calculations, we have predictably created over 10K per month using a $60 minimum product. Based on our calculation, we will not fall below that amount. We're using a $500 mid-tier product and we're using a $1,000 high-tier product. Of course, you can change these numbers and of course you may do different things in your business, but this is what I would recommend that you do to predictably hit that 10K per month. Now, we need to talk about strategy. How do we actually create these products and services, and how do we sell them? But like I mentioned, my aim in this particular video was to show you how to scale back and to break down your calculation to set up your business to hit 10K per month. If you do an audit now of your product and services, maybe you have some pricing that is not going to help you hit, or maybe you have some marketing that's not going to help you hit, or even how you structured your business is not going to help you hit your 10K. This is the first thing that we need to understand in our pricing psychology. Where do we land at the base? Where do we land at the max with conservative calculation? Based on, of course, my recommendations. Many people will give you different ways to calculate, different ways to sell. But this is what I am teaching you in terms of how to hit that predictable 10K per month income goal. Please leave your feedback below this video. I would love to hear if you have any aha moments, if this brought any clarity to your business structure and how you are now going to implement this 10K strategy in your business.